This morning I locked my keys inside my glove compartment and tried to find a way to open it using a screwdriver, and I can show you what worked for me, and we'll go over to my project bike to show you that. Here's the latch under the hood of the glove compartment on my project bike, and you can see that when you turn the key, all it does is lower that one catch on the right. So by inserting a screwdriver in here and catching this and pulling it down like that, you can unlock a latched hood. So I was able to take this, didn't even have to take this cover off, insert the screwdriver here until I feel the latch. This is the action you want to get. Reaching in through here and catching this latch up here and pulling it down. You can hear the spring there. There you go.